My character is Giselle. She's a Brazilian girl. At first, she's with the bad guys. She's very with the bad guys, and then something's happened during the movie. You'll have to watch the movie apparently, and she turned to be in the good side, very sophisticated, smart, tough girl.
And what was more fun for you, the bad or the good girl?
The good girl.
Yeah, why?
No, both of them. You know what? Because in real life, I'm always a good girl, so I had the chance to play something that's not really like me.
And how was the shooting?
Great, it was amazing.
Any accidents?
No,
No?
thank God, no.
How is it working with Vin Diesel?
It was amazing. Vin Diesel, very professional, and he was such a good friend of me during the photo shoot on the set. He was very professional, very lovable, friendly. He's a good guy.
Do you get behind the wheel? Do you get to race?
No, I wish. No.
No.